Started?
Yeah.
Alright guys. Some pizza mukbang, Dominos and fucking what's his name? Mini donuts.
Many donuts from.
Yep. Got the donuts guys. Got the donuts.
What the rest?
That's all they give us. All the free
What's the
they roll us.
freshest? Fucking pizza or whatever.
Pizza mukbang. Let's get this shit on the road.
So we just get fucking cheese pizza or whatever.
$6.99.
Things like that. You know, let $6.99 special.
You know how I go.
I ain't like, we should get some toppings though.
That's what you fucking like.
We should get some toppings.
Yeah, but you don't, but let's get cheese pizza, but you know, it's imagine.
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't want to
Yeah, no, but imagine, yes, yeah, this. $4, you know, cheap. You did break. But you break that, that ain't me.
I swear, you can't use weight. It's going to be at home all day watching anime.
You shut up, but you
I
break
joke this baby watching on anime. Drinking to me the entire thing.
What?
Drinking to me the entire
Like,
thing.
just to see us, bro.
I'm drinking, I know. I remember when he donuts, man. He's a crunchy boy.
And you got some water.
Give me the water, boy. So you get the water, boy. Anyway, he's a crunchy donut, they say. But he's platinum, no? He's platinum, man. I don't know. But you want to go cut the pizza in half, boy. No, man, you get it, man. No, but get the knife, get the knife.
Just tear off off cake and make money.
Why you getting the bigger half then?
I don't care, but you want a pizza?
Makes the donut, boy. The donut platinum, man. The donut tastes better than the pizza.
Could you?
It'd be weird.
No.
Donut tastes better than pizza, boy. You fucking get these powder boys. And these nasty chocolates there.
Look at shit.
Look at the white. I hate these chocolate ones, but I ain't gonna lie.
But they're the different shit.
That mug, but I stepped in that mug when we was walking, but it's still straight up on me. I
You
ate my
doing this good, eh? Put that in the box.
I
Take it up the table. Buy these, bro. I lied, they don't pay us.
Well, you don't get sponsored.
Don't
Why
get
the
sponsored.
fucking donut? Why the donut?
What the fucking donut?
That's what we get, people come.
Fucking come on, man. Look
Oh, master.
at this little fucking crust. This is supposed to be a mini pizza. Eh?
What do you eat this one? I love the crust when I eat that.
What is this?
I will do it. You doing the platinum?
We should get up base to this next one, too. Oh, yeah, guys, we saw a base on the street, and we gave him a donut.
And a pizza. We had 8 originally. We had to give him one, so we had to split one.
He's so happy to see that pizza. He said, what? Pizza?
I asked him, he say, pizza? Of course.
He bite that? All the pizza juice drop on his mouth.
All the grease start dripping on him out.
Yeah.
He said, oh. We should get something to drink from him. We ain't buying nothing to drink.
Yeah. It's too fucking hard.
Doing? My name's Officer Norman.
Get out! Go, 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 go!
What you want, what you want, what you gonna do? When you shut it down.
Fuck. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Camera drop, guys. Camera drop. I was doing shit.
Fun night.
Bye, night.
You can look at it.
Hmm?
You can look at it.
Yeah, I can't feel.
One second.
We'll be back after these commercial breaks. We'll take a look on this video on Facebook.
Take a look at this video on Facebook. But it's my side, boy.
It's a big cunny boy.
Let me see which one bigger. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't give a shit. I ain't got my friends go off and shit.
I can eat this, yeah?
Fight. Fight. Fight.
Relax, boy, relax.
Stop with this piece in my
Relax, boy.
I'm gonna bite the piece of it. What's this, man? I'm gonna bite it though. What the fuck? Why you bite the pizza, mate? Are you stupid, mate?
You don't want whole face, but I like this, man. I ain't lying.
So why you bite my pizza though?
Oh, why you so mad, boy?
Take the crust, man. I don't want this crust. I'm gonna get brace you with this.
The sissy, boy. This is cheesy bread, dog. You get some garlic butter
Like you got it, buddy.
or some ranch. Wow. It bite me lip. Anyway, right. It's our first video with this pussy.
First Mukbang. First you do a video.
Jada Wade.
You know.
And
Pretty cunning.
I ain't get no name yet, but we can fucking call me Curly.
You don't know hair, but shut up, but you want no hair?
Call me baby then. You married, bro.
You call it big cunning.
That's why you don't get now. You beating me every day. This place so weird. I don't even tell what this place doing. He gonna beat me. Oh fuck! But fuck my tongue is out.
You hang me from me every day.
But it's so hungry. I ain't even gonna lie.
But we gotta find another place so they just these donuts too, boy.
Right, but I can't see one day good. But I can save this for tomorrow.
With the chocolate?
No. Follow one?
Yeah, I need these. I can't even one of these. Wait, why did this don't even look right, dog?
You get it to the baby, but you get it to Rudy.
We get it to dogs. No, I kill them.
You trying to get him chocolate?
It did.
Oh,
Wait, it's that's a good price for all these donuts, though.
250.
$2.50 for how much donut? 6 donuts? No, 6 times 4 is what? 24 donuts?
Yeah.
Right on the box, 24
You
donuts.
know, on the box, you're trying to calculate it on the box.
Wait, if you buy these donuts from a bakery, you will pay more, but I tell
But
you,
you know, bakery selling these little things, but
but if they sell them, it can be expensive, but I tell you, so I go with Mr. Freshly. Even I lie, I don't go with Mr. Freshly, he don't pay us yet.
that's,
When they bring
that's Mistress Presley.
what is
MRS.
but what they say?
Mistress Presley.
They would just call the thing when you put people when people is paying for
Sponsor us. Or endorse us. They gotta endorse us, man.
She
We
got
fucking
donuts every day.
use variety park, dog. Fucking donuts.
Then we got the Dominos for itself. You know, it's finished. You know more.
Box empty.
We didn't share. That's straight said.
We share the whole box, bro.
The 3 people. They said to us.
Yeah.
I'm ready to pay foot.
Yeah. We should have given this next chocolate one. No, I ain't gonna lie.
You wanna go back?
We had the bounce fence while we walked there.
Exactly.
Yeah, bounce the fence.
I
Yeah.
don't know how much your shoes.
We running through the people yard. The woman none tell us don't come in the yard. We had to walk through the bounce of the fence. We started making one noise on the gate.
I can't do.
I thought
It
you
breaks
knew
on the fence, right? God, someone trying to break it. I said, man, this place is a real food.
This boy died around out the yard.
I got out the yard. I said, what? I go on the
I'm gonna
yard.
find the woman. I'm gonna shoot him.
I just out. I ain't saying nothing again. You come and get shot then, boom, that's it.
Whoop. Anyway, We can see y'all in the next one, man.
See you guys later. Gonna be safe.
Yeah.
Janeway out. Bacon out.
Bacon it out.